Hermes Agent might be better than OpenClaw. And I don't use that lightly because I have logged over 700 hours building AI agents and utilizing OpenClaw. And I have just installed Hermes on my last live stream last Thursday, and it has thoroughly impressed me. If you stay till the end of this video, I'm going to be talking from the perspective and giving you insight as someone who has logged in over 700 hours in OpenClaw, and give you my honest, genuine first impressions as to how it compares and stacks up to something like OpenClaw and the things that have thoroughly impressed me. Now, if this is your first time watching any of my videos or on the channel, my name is Andrew. I run 11 AI agents across 3 businesses, 2 of which are 7-figure companies. I've logged over 700 hours building inside of OpenClaw and building AI agents, and I've scaled my AI agency to over multiple 5 figures without hiring a single human employee. Now, with that being said, I'm not going to waste any time at all. We are going to go ahead and jump right into the screen. And while I pull that up, I want to go ahead and let you guys know how impressed I really am. Like, genuinely, thoroughly impressed, okay? Now, as I've said, I've got a lot of time under my belt so far in OpenClaw, not as much as some others, but you know, over 700 hours is a decent chunk of time to be building agents. Obviously, I have 3 different clients, so I'm building agents for them and I'm consistently maintaining and learning. I decided to go ahead and take the plunge in last Thursday at the time of recording this video. Is live stream, and go ahead and install it. And so you could actually watch me install that live on that live stream. But I want to talk about the first impressions, okay? Now, I will say that the install was a little bit weird. I was having some issues. You can see me getting a little frustrated at it in that live stream, but nonetheless, I figured it out. And if that happens to you, if you experience what I experienced, then you'll see exactly how I got around it. Now, I want to talk about this here. First things first, it is super lightweight and snappy. Like it is quick. It feels light. It feels fast. It feels really, really good. Comparatively to OpenClaw, which is a little bit more bloated, a little bit more chunky, a little bit more, it's not as snappy on the responses, and it just doesn't feel like quick to a degree, right? Now you got to remember, I've been using this a lot, and I've been using OpenClaw a lot. So like I have a lot of files, I have a lot built in there, so you know, you got to take that with a grain of salt, right? But so far, I really like how it feels. Now, intuitively, it is much better. So I want to talk to you and tell you really quick that I am using GPT 5.5 on both OpenClaw and on Hermes. And I'll tell you right now, how it performs on Hermes is completely different experience than to what I'm experiencing on OpenClaw. It is massively much more intuitive and proactive, right? I'm sitting here and I'm reverse prompting it at the beginning one late night, and I'm essentially having it learn about me, and I reverse prompted it to ask me a bunch of questions so it can learn who I am and all that good stuff. And I'll be honest with you, halfway through me talking to it about myself, talking to Hermes about myself and giving it all the insight, I was very surprised at how proactive it was being. It was being very proactive. It was telling me, hey, you don't need just an AI agent. You don't need me to do this. What you really need is this. You need somebody who can do this, this, and this. And I was like, you're 100% right. That's exactly what I'm actually going to utilize you for. And that is why I'm actually getting you to learn more about me, is so you could see where I need you. And it caught on really, really quick. So it's very intuitive and it is very much proactive. And this is a completely different experience than I had on something like OpenClaw, where on OpenClaw, it wasn't telling me any of that. It wasn't, you know, going and being that proactive. And even now, it's not as proactive. And I've trained it a lot, right? I've trained it a lot, but out the gate with no like any additives or any of me doing anything to, you know, the files and creating MD files and doing anything, just out the box learning about it, it was extremely and utterly proactive, and that surprised me very much so. The next thing here is it completes tasks without stopping for my help. This one was huge, right? And I'll tell you exactly why. And this kind of goes with number 6 here, where as you can see, where it's completely, or its ability to be autonomous. Now before I get into that, I just want to state one thing very, very quick, and that is simple. If you are interested in having me set up your OpenClaw on your computer, or you're interested in me doing any done for you builds or done with you builds, or if you're interested in just having a consulting call with me so you can tell me about what you're building, where you're currently at, what you think you need to do, and then just get my advice on what's going on, for coming from somebody who has 3 clients who is and have been actually building and have agents, active agents inside of their businesses, and you just want to get a little bit of my advice and you can leave with a boatload of knowledge and actionables, then all you have to do is go ahead and click the link down below and it will take you to a questionnaire. You can go ahead and fill that out, and if you're in a good fit, then we'll go ahead and you'll be able to book a call with me. I want to get back to it over here where I'm talking about how it completes tasks without stopping for my help, and it ties in with its ability to be autonomous. This was massive. Now, I did a live stream, and on the live stream, people were telling me and giving me some game on some things that I should do for the memory, right? Because they watched me, and you can actually watch me go ahead and optimize the config to have better memory. And so with that being said, they were like, yo, you should look at Honcho, right? And I'll make a video on it after a while. Currently at this point in time, I'm not going to, because I'm still just getting the flow of everything. And I told my Hermes agent, I said, hey, I just want you to go ahead and install Honcho for me. Figure it out, install it. And it took about 5 to 7 minutes, but it installed it. It didn't stop one time for anything. It didn't stop to ask me any questions. It didn't stop to ask me any pitfalls. It didn't stop to ask me, hey, or tell me, hey, I ran into this issue. I need you to do this to fix this or whatever. No, it literally did everything on its own and then told me, hey, I need you to plug the API key in. Here's where you go get it, go sign up, and then get it taken care of. And that's exactly what I did. And this was on the first night of me really, really using it. And I can't tell you how much that impressed me, because I know for a fact when I utilize OpenClaw and I try to tell it to figure something out along the way, it usually will run into a little bug or it'll run into some roadblock, and then it'll stop. It'll break the workflow of it doing what I told it to do, to tell me about it and to ask me either my opinion. Should I keep going? Should I do this? Should I do that? Now, again, yes, I have trained my agent very heavily, but not in the sense to not be autonomous. That's the whole goal with AI agents, is for them to be autonomous. And so this really surprised me, and it's continued to do that in other areas that I've had it get things done, right? For instance, when I needed to go ahead and have it create a Excalidraw diagram, I said, hey, I need you to create this Excalidraw diagram. If you don't have the skill for that, go find the skill, get it done. And it literally got it done very, very quickly and on its own. It didn't stop for anything. And again, I just don't experience that with OpenClaw. So that really surprised me. The fourth thing here I want to discuss is the reliability. Now, obviously Hermes doesn't push, and I've been paying attention to Hermes. Just because I just installed it last week doesn't mean I haven't been paying attention. Trust me, I pay attention to what's going on. But I will be very honest with you here. The level of reliability it has, not just because the updates are much more seldom and they don't break as I hear. I will say, when I'm talking about reliability and stability, I haven't had any issues with it at all, like none. I haven't had anything break. I haven't had my agent run into some issue that it can't fix. I haven't had my agent run into really any issues, to be quite honest with you. Other than on the install, it hasn't ran into any issues. And, reliability is huge. If you're building a business and you're doing a lot of these things, or utilizing this for business purposes, as most of you guys probably watching who are subscribed to the channel, you guys are business owners, right? You guys are in the Telegram and you guys let me know what you're utilizing this for, which brings me to my next point really quickly, is I run a free, completely free Telegram channel. There's nothing to sell you in there at all. It is simply a Telegram channel where I run Telegram lives so you can talk to me directly. And also I have polls that I post to have you give me insight on either what you're struggling with, or the polls directly are correlated with what I want to make content about, and I want your guys' opinion. So if you join that Telegram, and it's completely free, and the link is down in the description below, you have the ability to influence the content that I make here on this channel and the talking points that I go over, or the purpose of live streams every Tuesday and Thursday at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. So with that being said, it's completely free, nothing to sell you. It's down in the description below, free to join. And also, if you want to communicate with me directly, you can on Twitter. The link to follow my Twitter is also down in the description below, okay? That's where you can directly communicate with me and ask me any questions and just pretty much give me anything you need as far as just insight that you may not want to share in the comment section, okay? Now, reliability and stability is extremely important, as I was saying, due to the fact that if you're building these agents and you're trying to utilize these agents for business, well, you want something reliable. You want something stable. Now, I'm not going to say that my OpenClaw agents aren't stable. They definitely are. But when you're actually trying to just build and get things going, it's not as stable as Hermes in my experience, okay? I ran into a lot more little roadblocks, or Even simple things like I'll tell my agent to check on something for me on OpenClaw, and sometimes it'll say that I needed to do a /new so I could start a new session because it ran into some error and it didn't essentially do what I needed it to do. Well, on Hermes, I have yet to run into that issue, and I just think that reliability and stability is extremely important no matter what you're utilizing this for. But again, especially if you're utilizing this for business, this is a big one. Now, this one was just a nice little feature here, and I want to state that this just makes the setup so much easier, right? And I'm going to go into that as well. I'm actually going to go into that first. The ability to just install it and use it was super easy. Like very, very, very easy. Like once you got it installed, obviously I ran into a roadblock, but the installation process was not as long as OpenClaw's is. And once you actually get it running in Telegram, which is where I run and communicate with all of my main agents, you know, it was just so easy. It was so just natural. It was effortless. And with OpenClaw, I'm going to explain the difference in what I mean by easy, natural, and effortless. Okay. So this point right here, right? Needing API keys in order for me to communicate with text to speech, right? Okay, so the big thing here that I wanna really highlight is what is text to speech? Essentially sending voice notes. Okay, simply put, it's sending voice notes. Now, what I will say is on OpenClaw, why I'm saying it's not as natural and effortless is that in OpenClaw, you need to have API keys in order for you to, in order for the OpenClaw and your agent to transcribe your voice note and then actually be able to read and listen to it. Okay, and usually it uses OpenAI Whisper for that. So if you guys are wondering what API key that is, for those of you OpenClaw users out there, that is what it is. It's OpenAI Whisper. Again, just ask your agent, but that's what it is. And also, and on Hermes, I didn't have to do that. I didn't have to do that at all. I literally could just start talking to it with voice notes and sending it voice notes, right? I just did an OpenClaw setup for a gentleman who actually watches my YouTube channel. So if that's you and you know who you are, appreciate your business, and he's loving it. He's actually really loving it. He sent me the screenshot. I'll actually pop it up on the screen here. He was saying how he was super excited, and the fact that he was 30,000 feet in the air on a plane ride in order for him to, you know, be getting stuff done with his agent, he just found fascinating. And I love that. That stuff's great. I love when I set something up for somebody like that. And I've done this with a couple other people as well, local businesses, but you know, I love when I see that and they just are using it and they're so happy and it works, right? So anyways, I had to set that up for him, and I had to set him up with the OpenAI Whisper, and then for the agent to actually send voice notes back, you need to utilize 11 Labs API key, right? And then you have to go do that, set those accounts up, and then plug the API key in. And with Hermes, I could just send it voice notes and it sends me voice notes right back. It was so easy. And that's what I really also was impressed about, right? How smooth it is, how easy it is, how effortless it is to just even get going once you get your agent inside of Telegram and you start communicating with it. Now, at the end of the day, I want to make something very clear here. I am not going to stop using OpenClaw. I am not going to, shit on OpenClaw. I am not going to say anything negative about it in a way where it's not coming from passion. At the end of the day, I love OpenClaw. My agency runs on there. All of 11 of my agents are there, besides obviously my Hermes agent, which is now my 12th agent. And I just want to make it very clear that both are good. Both are good. But if you're asking me now what I prefer, it is going to be Hermes. At this current point in time, it is going to be Hermes. Now, I'm not married to either or. And I also think that you shouldn't be married to one or the other. And what do I mean by that? I mean that you should be utilizing both. And coming from somebody who waited 2 months to install Hermes, I wish I wouldn't have. I wish I would have installed it when it first came out. And you should utilize my mistake to not try something out early as soon as it comes out, to essentially do the opposite. If you're going to install OpenClaw, you should also install Hermes. If you're going to test one, test the other, okay? Because that was a mistake that I made, a mistake that I will never make ever again. And no, I am not going to move my entire agency over to Hermes. I'm not doing that. And I'm going to keep using OpenClaw because it serves its purpose for me. I have it down to a T relatively well. All I have to do is keep up with the updates, keep learning, and keep ensuring that I stay on the ball and stay sharp, and I will be okay. Now, for somebody else, I would utilize both, see which one you like more, and then build whatever you're wanting to build, whether it's a project, whether it's agents for your business, to outsource things, etc. Then you choose which one you like the best, okay? I'm not telling you to do one or the other, and I'm not saying that I'm for only one of these, right? I'm gonna use both. And for those of you guys who are also wondering, I am using these on the same Mac Mini, okay? Hermes is operating inside the same Mac Mini as OpenClaw. You can do that. I actually had somebody comment the other day and ask me that question. And I do that. I have it on both. I have both on one Mac Mini. I also want to state that I am not tied to ChatGPT or like Opus. I really don't care about it. I just want to use whichever one works best. And again, I want to state very clearly that ChatGPT is working very, very, very well on Hermes, comparatively speaking to OpenClaw, where I kind of run into a little bit more issues, like the thing where it won't work, and then I got to do /new to start a new session, and then re-ask it the question over again. Haven't had that issue once with Hermes. So with that being said, guys, those are my first impressions on Hermes Agent. I am thoroughly impressed. I'm going to continue to build on it. I'm going to continue to play with it, and I'm going to continue to do it in public in front of you guys so that everybody can kind of follow along and see the journey. Now, if you want to watch me build and you want to actually see what I'm doing and watch me interact with my agent and build on top of my agent, then you can go ahead and check out the live streams every Tuesday and Thursday at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. If you're interested in joining the Telegram, it's completely free, nothing to sell you. You should definitely join because you can influence the content that I make on this channel. And you can also join some Telegram lives where you can just ask me questions directly inside of Telegram. And if you're interested in having me set up OpenClaw or Hermes Agent for you, I can definitely go ahead and do that. I've done it for a gentleman who has been watching my content, so I can't wait to just get his quick 2 cents on how he felt about the whole thing. You've seen some stuff on the screen shares that came up, but if you want to have me set that up, Hermes or OpenClaw, I can do either or. I know how to maneuver it. And on top of that, if you want me to do any done for you builds for agents and you just don't want to have to go through the setup, you want me to just go ahead and build it for you, I can do that. Same thing with the done with you. I can build it with you and you can learn alongside of me. If you're interested in just essentially having me consult you on where you're currently at in your build for whatever it is, if you're building agents for your business and you're trying to outsource something and you're running into issues and you just want to get my 2 cents so that way you can actually get some help and you can leave with some actionables and some extra knowledge, then you can go ahead and click the link down in the description below if you're interested in any of those. It's going to take you to a type form, fill that out, and then if you qualify, you can book a call with me on the calendar so we can go ahead and discuss in a 30-minute call. With that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Please smash the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit the bell notification. That way you are notified whenever I upload videos on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 8 a.m. Central Standard Time. Also, you will get notified when I go live every Tuesday and Thursday on this YouTube channel at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. Comment down below. Let me know what you think of Hermes. I got a lot of people in my comments who are very interested in Hermes, and I'm getting so much feedback on it. I love it. I'm learning a lot, so you should definitely not miss those live streams as well. We do a lot of learning and people sharing what they know and what they learned, etc. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.